Hey everyone, and welcome to the Skeleton Thoughts channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind these days, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the virtual assistants on our smartphones to the recommendation algorithms that suggest what we should watch or buy next, AI is everywhere. These systems are designed to make our lives easier and more efficient. But with all this buzz, there's also a lot of confusion, misconceptions, and even fear surrounding AI. Many people worry about what AI means for the future. Will it take over our jobs? Will it invade our privacy? Or worse, will it take over the world? So let's take a moment to debunk some of the most common myths about AI and separate fact from fiction. By understanding the reality of AI, we can better appreciate its potential and address its challenges. Myth #1: AI will take over the world. This is a popular trope in sci-fi movies and books, but in reality, AI is designed to assist us, not replace us. AI systems are created to perform specific tasks and solve particular problems. They are tools that can help us in various ways, from automating mundane tasks to providing insights from large data sets. Think of AI as a powerful tool, like a hammer. In the hands of a skilled carpenter, a hammer can build beautiful structures, but in the wrong hands, it could cause harm. The same goes for AI. If used responsibly, it can bring about incredible advancements. However, if misused, it could pose risks. But let's focus on the positive. In the right hands, AI can help us build incredible things, from advanced medical diagnostics to innovative solutions for climate change. Myth #2: AI is super intelligent already. While AI has made impressive strides, it's not some all-knowing superbrain that can outthink humans in every aspect. Most AI systems are designed to excel at specific tasks. For example, an AI might be great at playing chess or recognizing faces, but it doesn't have the general intelligence or common sense of a human being. These systems operate within the confines of their programming and data. They don't possess the ability to think, feel, or understand the world as we do. So, while AI can be incredibly powerful in certain areas, it still lacks the versatility and depth of human intelligence. Myth #3: AI will make us all unemployed. This is a common fear, but the reality is more nuanced. While AI might change the nature of some jobs, it will also create new opportunities. Just as the Industrial Revolution transformed the job market, AI is set to do the same. Some roles may become obsolete, but new ones will emerge, requiring different skills and expertise. AI can handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing us up to focus on more creative, strategic, and meaningful work. This shift can lead to more fulfilling careers and new industries. The key is to adapt and learn new skills to work alongside AI, not against it. By embracing lifelong learning and staying curious, we can thrive in an AI-enhanced world. Myth #4: AI is a threat to our privacy. This is a valid concern, and it's important to address it head-on. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data often includes personal information, which raises questions about privacy and security. It's crucial to ensure that our data is used responsibly and ethically. We need to advocate for strong privacy regulations and hold companies accountable for how they handle our information. By being aware of how our data is collected and used, we can make informed decisions and push for policies that protect our privacy. The future of AI has incredible potential to improve our lives in countless ways. It can help us solve complex problems in healthcare, environmental science, and even space exploration. The key is to develop and use AI responsibly, focusing on collaboration between humans and machines. By working together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. So there you have it. AI isn't here to take over the world, replace you at work, or steal your data, hopefully. It's a powerful tool that can be used for good. By understanding its capabilities and limitations, we can harness its potential for the benefit of society. Remember, AI is what we make of it. It's up to us to ensure that it's developed and used in ways that align with our values and goals. So, what are your thoughts on AI? Let me know in the comments below. How do you see AI shaping our future, and what steps do you think we should take to ensure it's a positive force? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech myth busting. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's navigate the future of AI together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on the Skeleton Thoughts channel.